Good morning, guys. Today we will be going to west of Sichuan, 2 to 3 hours bus drive. We have a few people here already waiting, and you guys already know who it is.
I was late again.
Z.
So today we take about 2 hours from Chengdu to that destination. The Guangge Ice Waterfall is located west of Sichuan. It's an amazing place with Tibetan culture. So hope you guys have great fun together. Thank you very much.
We are at our first stop, just a 10-minute break. The view behind me, it's just absolutely stunning. We're going to do a 2.5 kilometer hike. Let's hope we make it there safely. We do have our crampons so that if it gets a little bit difficult, we are able to put them on. Blue skies today, which we needed actually. Hello, I'm good. You guys will be on my next video. We made it like, I don't know, maybe halfway I think. So we are on our way now, as you can see behind me. Very muddy because a lot of the snow is melting because it's a very sunny day today. Hopefully when we get to our destination, there's still some ice left on the waterfall. Let's carry on with the route. Speak to you guys soon. Oh, all the snow. We got other people from the group here. They went up the opposite side, a little bit exploring. Snow everywhere. Just beautiful scenery, the sun is shining and lots of rocks to climb over. Once we get to our destination, we can take some beautiful pictures. Walking through a little forest. And we're just moving on. What a trip. Some obstacles to get through. We finally made it. The frozen waterfall. Our destination. We're on our way back. We still have quite a few to go. But you know, the scenery is really amazing. It's been a good trip. Let's get moving. Once we get there, we can close up. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hey! Yes, what do they do?
Like and subscribe!
See you guys next time.